Those are for typing, and this is for the phone.
I'm Janine Quinones. I'm 31 years old. I'm a Denver native, but I was living in Las Vegas the past 3 years, and that's where my accident was. And I was in a car accident, and I'm now a C6, C7 quadriplegic. Well, with my injury when I first got here, I really wasn't able to breathe on my own. I wasn't able to move my arms. And now, 2 months later, I can do my own makeup, I can brush my teeth.
Is that too short, or does that work?
No, that works. I have hope to actually work remotely from home now.
I've made products that help patients with eating who can't really grip onto utensils. I've made products to help hold their bags on certain wheelchairs and power chairs. I've even made joysticks for power chairs to help with patients with similar processes or problems. One of the engineers or one of the occupational therapists has an idea that they want to make for a patient. They have me design something based on their recommendations and their specifications and 3D print it out, and we constantly do a back and forth between patients, the OTs, and us down in rehab engineering, gradually improving on the product so patients can get a better experience from what we make.
We hired Raj as an intern to be basically an authority and also the expertise on additive manufacturing and specifically 3D printing. The ability to design and build and test quickly and to prototype something quickly is very important, and additive manufacturing these days is a very good tool to do that. Raj, with his manufacturing sciences background, decided to hire and have him basically educate us as well as help us implement designs, but also design systems and protocols to help us incorporate it into our everyday regime.
Since I'm not able to really use my fingers, the adaptive tools that they made for me, I use my wrists and I kind of just type away, and I'm actually faster at typing than I am verbally. So people in my situation, you lose hope, and now I'm motivated. I'm ready to go back to work.
I actually took a class specifically on 3D printing, several classes actually, and having that prior knowledge of a lot of the specifics on 3D printing has helped me with changing my designs, the ideas of materials. It's a great thing to at least be able to help out somebody using your skills and making improvements or making products for someone who really needs them.
Definitely being a quad, you kind of lose hope, like I said, and you think everything's over, but it kind of made some magic and changed my life around, actually.